Devintelle's car rental management. Manage car rental smoothly with our Odoo car rental management app from bookings to invoices. List all car with details like model, capacity and features. Check car availability and manage bookings in real time. See booked slot to plan your fleet better. Create invoices and rental agreement automatically. Analyze bookings by time, car types and location. Track fleet uses and revenue with charts and tables. View bookings by month and day for easy planning. Filter bookings by driver, car model or date. Customers can search and book cars online by date and city. Ready to transform your car rental? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.